Hello students. Till now we finished chapter. So today I am taking your sample paper, first sample paper, that is sample paper 1, which is on page number 40 and 41. This sample paper is based on first four chapter, that is parts of a computer, hardware and software, Tux Paint, understanding Windows. All the question answers are you have to find with the help of these four chapters. Today I am taking the question answers. So just write it down all the answers in your textbook, and after that same sample paper you have to again write in your notebook. So first A part is fill in the blank. A computer give accurate result. This question comes in chapter 1. The most common device are mouse and keyboard. This is also comes in chapter 1. The main the CPU has main three parts, that is MU, ALU, CU and ALU. There are main two parts types of software, that is system software and application software. Application software. A computer work on IPO cycle, means input processing output cycle.
Stay true or false.
Now the true and false. The shape of a mouse pointer change as we do different action. Yes, it is true. See here. This now the mouse pointer having which shape? Yes, arrow shape. Okay, but when I have to write something, that mouse pointer changes to I beam. Okay, in the same way, if you are opening something and it takes time, then this mouse pointer it change to busy sign. It means rounded sign. It means that the computer is busy and want you to wait. These type of changes are present. The answer for this is present on page number 34, that is having chapter number 4. Next, you cannot change the position of the desktop icon. It is false, because you can change, you can copy paste anywhere, or you can take any icon anywhere on the desktop. A computer works very fast. Yes, it is true, because it is a machine, so it works very fast. The songs that we listen from a CD is a hardware. No, it is a software, so it is false. Soft, because it's that songs are saved in your CPU, and when we played that song, or the song is saved in a CD, or when we play that song, it will be played. So it is a software, not a hardware, because we cannot see the song. Okay, I am not talking about the video, only the audio. So we have to just listen that audio. That is means, what is mean by hardware? Hardware means we can touch and see, and what is mean by software? We cannot touch and see. That is called as software. The taskbar is a long horizontal bar at the top of the desktop. It is false. Taskbar is a long horizontal bar, but by default it is present at the bottom of the desktop. We cannot change the background of a computer once it is set. It is false, because we can change multiple times background. Okay, next thing,
Multiple choice questions.
multiple choice question. First, nowadays computer are used almost in office, school, shopping mall and all of the places. So answer is all of the places. Next thing, monitor, printer, keyboard and mouse are the most com- commonly used devices in computer lab. They are called as a hardware. Okay, monitor, printer, keyboard and mouse are called hardware. Then quick launcher bar is present on the taskbar. Means what? If you have to open any application every time, so we need not to go every time to that folder or that section, so we can directly take that or take ping me as a taskbar, then it will come on a taskbar. So it is called quick launcher bar. Double headed arrow, four headed arrow and I beam are all types different shape of mouse pointer. The software which is used for doing calculation is known as, yes, calculator.
Answer the following.
In that first one, what are the basic principle on which computer are work? The basic principle is IPO, means input processing output cycle. Next, what is Windows? So Windows is an operating system, and without it we cannot even start the computer or and work on it. There is no space, so I am writing here like it, so it is easy to copy. Third one, what do we call the image which pop up on the screen whenever the computer remains idle for a short time? If the computer is remains idle for a short time, then the image comes called as a screensaver. Next thing, name the set of program that controls the working of a computer. So this is called system software. System software is a set of program that controls the working of a computer. Next thing, which part of a CPU does all the calculations? So ALU means arithmetic, sorry, right in fifth line. ALU, that is arithmetic and logical unit. Next thing, sixth one, what do you know about TuxPen? Explain any two features. So first one, TuxPen is a powerful drawing program for children. And the features in that first feature is it is a free software. So free software. And the second feature is we can add personalized stamp on our drawing once we finish. These all features are present in page number 21, TuxPaint chapter, first page. What is meant by TuxPaint? In that, definition of TuxPaint is there and all the features also present. So you can write any of two. It is not necessary you have to type these two only. There are multiple features are there. Select any two and write in your textbook. Drawing mascot. Next thing, what is system software? So it is set of a program that control the overall working of a computer. Okay, so we finish with the sample paper 1. After that you have to write all the answers in your textbook. After that copy same whole sample paper in your notebook also. Okay, you have any query, any doubt, write in comment box. Thank you.